Hi, it's Addressed and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Moto G31. So first, open the Bluetooth settings, then click the gear next to your device and forget the device and pair new device. Now wait for it to load. I don't have Bluetooth on my device. Okay. And now select it. Wait for it to pair. And now if it's still not working, then try to disable the Bluetooth and enable it once again. Also enable the airplane mode and disable. And try to connect one more time. If you still have an issue, then you need to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.